Today we're taking a look at this new RV door lock by ONNAIS. I already have one of their really nice door locks, kind of like this one on my RV, but this is the new upgraded model. They offered to send it to me to test it out, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. Let's get it out of the box and see everything it comes with. Out of the box, you get, of course, the manual. This is the main lock. This is the outside portion and the inside portion. You get two key fobs. This is the wireless lock and unlock, and then there is a key in here. So if you push the back of the key, there it is. So this would be the manual way to lock and unlock it. You have a little lock portion here, and this is the key for that. Or you would use the lock and unlock that's on here, or you would use the keypad to put in your code, or, which is one of the big new features this one has, it also has the ability to use the app on your phone to lock and unlock your door. So if you don't even want to carry a key fob with you, if you don't want to have to remember your passcode, you can just unlock this thing with your phone. So it comes with all this, it comes with all the hardware to get this thing installed. So let's do it. So this is the lock we have on there. We've had this on there 3 or 4 years now. Loving it, it works great. The only reason I'm switching it is to try the new model. I'm gonna go ahead and get this removed from the door so the door is ready to get the new one installed and then put it on. So now as you can see, I've got the door lock off. It's just a blank door. This is where, the end of it goes. There's the other side. This is how big it was. You can see from the discoloration of the door, but that will happen. The new one should cover it up. I'm gonna go ahead and get it installed. So this thing is super easy to install. It's basically 2 pieces. They connect with this little wiring harness here, and then it's 4 bolts that hold these 2 pieces together, and then 2 screws here that hold this part of the door in. That's it. That's all you got to do to install it and uninstall it. Very simple. Anyone can do it, and it doesn't take hardly any time at all. Like I said, super easy to install. 4 bolts here, 2 and 2. They give you the Allen key to do that. 2 Phillips head screws right here. And this is the outside. I love this portion of the lock now. It used to be just a little flip handle. Now the whole front of this thing is the lock. So that's cool. You've got like a rotary style number system here. I like that. Again, the key lock is underneath there. It also has underneath here a USB slot here. So let's say the batteries run dead and you need to be able to get in. You don't have your key, but you need to be able to get in with like the passcode. You can put like a USB power station power charger here, provide it power, and then it will run off of that. So then you can put your code in and get in. Very cool. It doesn't come with the batteries, but it does come with the screwdriver to take off the little front plate. So you put 4 AA's in there and put the plate back on and you're ready to go. Now that it's got batteries in it, you could unlock or lock it by just turning this little silver little lock tab here. But you don't even have to do that. You can just say lock, unlock, and that's from inside. So now you can just pull this and you can see it's unlocked. Here, I'll lock it, and now it's locked. So that's really nice that they just put those buttons right there. You've got your settings buttons here, and you can unlock and lock those settings. All of that's in the manual, so check that out. Here's your little pull right here to close the door. Just nice and simple on the inside. And then of course on the outside, you got your keypad. You can enter your code in. You can use your key fob, lock and unlock. You can use the key in the key fob to open it up manually underneath that cover, and then the app. So now I'm gonna get the app installed and we're gonna test that out. All right, so the app is really cool. It lets you know the battery amount that you have, which is important since it's AA batteries in there. You can come in here, unlock it, lock it. You can turn the lights on or off on the keypad. You can mute the sound. You can even come in here and put like temporary passcodes. So if you have somebody with you on your trip and you're in your RV and you want to give them a temporary passcode, you can set those up. All kinds of really cool things. This is one of the things that I was really excited about with this model, because we'll be in bed and my wife goes, "Did you lock the RV?" And I'm like, then I got to get out of bed, come to the front door, see if I locked it. I don't have to do that. I can just pull up my phone, which I always have with me, and lock it. Very, very cool. I also don't have to worry about losing my keys because I have my phone with me. So yeah, I love this new model, really cool. I love this new handle. I've really gotten in touch with that. I really like that. It's just a real big grab handle. You don't have to reach for some small handle. So I do like that, and I'm sure I'm gonna love it as much as I love the last one. So I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and y'all take care.